Wanted to do a video on my replacement kicker. So I used to run the little 6 horsepower tohatsu. I had a charging circuit and the whole shebang on it, but then one of my customers dropped this tohatsu slash Nissan onto my lap, and she says if it's too expensive to fix, you can have it. Well, it needed a new carb. I tried one of those Chinese carbs off Amazon. Didn't do so well. I ended up buying a used carburetor off of eBay, and it needed a rebuild as well. So while it did cost me $300 rebuilding the carb, as you can see, the motor runs pretty nice. I did my usual mods. I added a hot wash tank to it, so there's some hot water coming out here. Let's see if this gauge goes up. And yep, the water's about 100 degrees coming out of that motor. I did end up adding a charging circuit to it. It's running at about 880, 900 RPMs. It is actually putting out some amperage, more than the 6 horsepower did, so it's keeping my electronics up. Yeah, two cylinder, quieter, smoother. The 6 horsepower sail horse prop fit. There's an inch gap, but it fits, so that was kind of neat. I didn't have to buy a new prop for this thing, but I'll give you a demo of all my usual mods. Sorry for the video. Let's take this cover off. The cover was damaged. Someone had punched a hole through it, as you can see. I'm going to paint and clean that up later on. But my additions were voltage regulator rectifier from Amazon. And right over here, the thermostat housing is where there's actually a port for it to get hot water out of this thing. So yeah, I love this thing. My 6 horsepower is up for sale.